Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mouse pointer keeps getting bigger or changing size in Windows 11. First method is change mouse pointer settings to default. Second method is change display themes. Third method is change magnifier settings. Fourth method is change display settings. Fifth method is uninstall mouse driver. Press Alt F4 to close, select Restart, press Enter key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.